I'm really struggling to find guys these days. Are you on dating apps? I hate dating apps. There's literally like 3 types of people on there. Players, weirdos, and like those who just want to freaking ghost you for no reason. And how's your social life? Like, I try, but it's all the same. I just can't meet a decent guy. Have you heard of Iris? What's Iris? Iris is a dating app. No. Just hear me out. So Iris uses AI and basically only matches you with the people that you find attractive. Give it a try. You'll see a massive difference compared to regular dating apps. But how is it different from other dating apps? You know how Spotify only plays you the music that you like? It's because you teach the algorithm. Iris takes a step further. It's like having a personal assistant who will have interviewed hundreds and hundreds of people for you just to give you like those 2 or 3 of the best options, right? That sounds too good to be true. Also think of it in numbers. It will take you 30 years to swipe through 1 million people. But Iris will take 30 seconds to do that and will only present you a few options that you will actually find attractive.